What is up mga Ripa Peeps? In this video, I am going to show you a lunch that is less than $15 or maybe let's say $15, good for two, and for sure we are still going to get some leftovers, and these products are all from Costco. So the first item would be this one, which is the chicken rotisserie, and the cost of this is $7.99 without tax yet, but if you're going to add up tax, it's around $9.18. So watch the video until the end, and I'm going to show you the other two items that I am going to add up on this chicken, and also that is going to be without any pop or soft drinks because we don't drink pop or soft drinks anymore. But I'm not saying that we don't drink entirely anymore, but we just avoid. But during this lunchtime today, we won't be drinking any pop or soft drinks to keep us a bit healthy. And here are the second and third items. So it's gonna be the riced cauliflower and then the organic mixed vegetables. So I forgot how much is this one, but let's just say it was around $13, but we are just going to use a portion of this one. So in other words, if you are going to quantify it, maybe it's just like $1 or $2 or maybe less than that. And then the rice cauliflower, for one bag costs around $11. That's without taxes, but I'm only gonna use one pack. So an estimate of around maybe let's just say $2.75. So this is our lunch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this rice cauliflower and then this mixed vegetables all together. So instead of eating rice or bread, so we are going to eat these and with the chicken, and that's gonna be our lunch, which is like only less than $15, and then we're still going to have leftovers on these on this chicken. So the effective price on our lunch actually is just gonna be like maybe below $10, but of course you buy this as a whole and then you buy these as a whole also, so you just have to divide them according to what you use. But still, because of our membership in Costco, and we are choosing to be frugal as well and also to be thrifty in order to spend more on the other things that we want. This is the kind of lifestyle that we are going into, so we always choose the budget-friendly option all the time. Bon appetit! Okay, ikaw na pagkuha ng sa imong init. I don't know if this rice cauliflower plus the mixed veggies is going to be a lot for us, but usually we can consume this and finish this in one meal setting. So as you can see here, this chicken has ropes around, so I think for sure the purpose of that is to keep the chicken intact when they are going to roast it. And then, well, it's not annoying. We just have to cut it. There you go. Cut it with a pair of scissors. So my favorite part of a chicken is so I'm just gonna use my hand. I don't know. And then this is my favorite part. So I don't know what's your favorite part, but usually people would eat the chicken legs. So let me know what you think about our lunch today, and this could also be your lunch if you want to. Just put your comments in the comment section below, and then we could talk there. Then also, if you want other videos, or if you want me to make other videos about on budget lunches, I could make it. Let me know what you want, then we'll find a way. Stop recording.